In today's video, I'm sharing some of the best life hacks and clever tricks that will make your daily routine easier and way more fun, so stay tuned till the end. Cut the plastic bottle from the middle and apply glue to one part. This is a great idea for school kids to easily organize their school supplies. For more amazing ideas and tricks, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share the video. After applying glue on one part, attach one side of the zipper to it. Now apply glue on the second part and attach the other side of the zipper to it. After applying glue to the second part, place both pieces on top of each other and close the zip, which will join them together. Once the glue has dried properly, the product is ready to use. Now that the product is ready, let's check it by opening and closing the zip. This is a simple yet creative idea. Now, open the zip, place the school pens and pencils inside the bottle, and then close the zip. This is a creative idea you should definitely try as well. I hope you like this idea. Don't forget to like and share the video. I'm going to share an idea related to a matchbox, and I hope you'll like it. If your matchbox gets wet and you can't use it, definitely try this idea. Take a plastic bottle, cut its top with a cutter, and then use scissors to make it even. This is also a creative idea related to a matchbox. You should definitely give it a try. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video, and let us know your thoughts. After making the top of the bottle even with scissors, take sandpaper and rub it on the surface to smooth out the edges. After rubbing with sandpaper, apply glue on the top and then attach the second top on it. After joining the two tops, apply tape on it to make it more secure, ensuring it's easier to use and prevents water from getting inside. How did you find this creative idea? If you have more creative ideas like these, be sure to share them with us. After applying tape, remove the cap from one side. Now, take a matchbox, cut it with scissors, and also cut the striking surface from it. After cutting the striking surface, apply glue on it and stick it to the bottle cap. After placing the striking surface on the cap, take the portable matchbox holder, put the matchsticks inside it, and then close the cap. Now, your portable matchbox holder is ready, and you can easily carry it anywhere. Now, we will test it by lighting a matchstick. If the matchstick lights up, then your portable matchbox holder is working perfectly. Now, let's wet it in water and then try to light the matchstick to see if it still ignites or not. Even after getting wet in water, the matchstick is still working. Now you can confidently use it whenever needed, knowing it's both functional and convenient. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to share it with your friends as well. Take a plastic bottle cap and cut it from the top. This is also a creative and useful idea for a plastic bottle. You should definitely try it at home, and be sure to share it with your friends and family members as well. After cutting the bottle cap, apply glue on it and fix the second cap onto it. Now, take a plastic bottle and cut it from the top. After cutting the bottle, place the two joint caps onto the top of the bottle and then insert it into the second plastic bottle. Now, securely fit both bottles together and make sure they are tightly sealed so they can be used safely. Now, fill the bottle with water, and it will fill easily without any water leaking from the bottom. Now, you can easily carry this bottle, and it will remain safe for holding water. After filling the bottle with water, remove the joint cap from the top and then place the regular cap onto the bottle. Cut the top of the plastic bottle, then mark the bottle with a marker, and finally, cut along the marked area using scissors. This is also a great idea. You can definitely try it at home. This way, you can make the best use of a plastic bottle and make your tasks easier. Iska MATLAB High-Co Plastic Bottles KO creatively reuse Karka AAP Waste KO Chem Kar Sokt Hain or Environment Kuliya Betar Kam Kar Sokt Hain. Sharing such ideas can inspire others to get creative and make use of everyday items in new ways. After cutting the bottle, place the mobile charger on the bottle and mark the area with a marker. Then, use an iron soldering tool to make marks along the area marked with the marker. This way, you can make holes in the bottle and use it more effectively. After making holes in the bottle, I placed the charger in the area where the holes were made, then plugged the charger into the mobile and placed the mobile inside the bottle. This way, you can securely place your mobile and charge it, and the shape of the bottle will keep it stable easily. This method helps keep your mobile safe while charging, and the bottle acts as a holder to prevent it from tipping over. You can use this idea in your daily life to keep your mobile secure while it's charging. I'm about to share a unique idea with you, and I hope you'll like it. When there is something in a plastic bag and you tie it tightly, it can be difficult to open it again. That's why I'm sharing an easy idea with you. Cut the top of the plastic bottle and then make it even using scissors. Now, place the top onto the plastic bag and then fix the cap on top of it. This way, you can securely seal the plastic bag and easily open it again. This method makes it more convenient to store items without the hassle of struggling to open the bag later. Now, take a plastic bowl, open the cap, pour the rice from the plastic bag into the bowl, and then close the cap again. This way, you can safely put the rice in the bowl and secure it by closing the cap again. you like this idea, be sure to share it with your friends and don't forget to give us your feedback. Take a plastic bottle and cut the backside of it. After cutting the backside, open the bottle's cap, then take a balloon, cut it, and stretch it over the top of the bottle. Now, fit the balloon tightly over the top of the bottle so that it covers securely. After placing the balloon on the top, apply tape around it to make it tighter and prevent it from coming off due to stretching. After applying the tape, take an almond and insert it from the backside of the bottle. Then, pull the balloon to release it, and the almond will fall out from the bottom. This way, you can easily remove the almond, and with the help of the balloon, it will stay safely inside the bottle. You can use this method for other small items as well, making it a fun and creative way to store and release things. This way, you can enhance your creativity and find new ways to use everyday items. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share, and comment on the video. I'm about to share another amazing idea with you, where you can store your small items. Take a plastic bottle and cut its top using a saw. After cutting the top, use sandpaper to rub the edges and make them smooth. Now, apply glue to the sides of the smooth top and fix another cap onto it. After fixing the cap, open the second side cap, place a coin inside, and then close the cap again. This way, you can securely store your small items and easily access them whenever needed. Take a plastic bottle, remove its cap, and heat the top of the bottle with a lighter. Then, apply pressure with the lighter to slightly shape and firm it. After shaping the top of the bottle, remove the cap from the second mirror bottle. After cutting the top of the plastic bottle with a saw, use scissors to make the edges even. Now, take sandpaper and rub the edges of the bottle top thoroughly to make them smooth. After smoothing the edges with sandpaper, remove the cap from the top. Now, use pliers to cut the top from the middle. Now, use an iron soldering tool to make 2 holes in the top. After applying glue to the holes, fix the nut and bolt into them. The clipper tool is now ready. Now, we'll use it by attaching it to any item we want to seal. I'm sharing a very simple and creative idea with you that can be used in your daily routine. Take a plastic bottle cap, cut off the top, and then cut the cap through the middle. After cutting the cap from the middle, take another plastic bottle cap. Then, put glue inside that cap and fix the second cap into it. This way, your cable organizer tool will be ready. Now, you can start using it. Now, apply glue on the cap and fix it onto the wall, then hang the cable in it. If you like this simple and creative idea, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share, and comment on the video. Your support is our motivation. Thanks for watching my video.